Hello, my beautiful brochacherinos and brochacherinas, Barofist, and welcome into another video. Today we're going to discuss about something really interesting going around and currently exploding in prices and everything, which is cryptocurrency. And two picks for me that I have invested personally into, not that much, but I have invested into, are TFUEL and THETA. We're going to discuss in this video like why they have exploded recently in price, are they gonna further explode, what's the technology behind it, and all of this we're gonna discuss in a really short manner. I don't wanna go into really big details. I'm not an expert into this, neither I'm an expert into finances, so if I say something about invest into this stuff or don't invest into this stuff, guys, don't listen to me. I'm no one. Like, I don't know anything about this, let's say. I mean, I know about it, of course, that's why I'm making the video, but I'm not really like a expert, financial advice, diploma, PhD, all that stuff. No, I'm just a normal, regular guy that have invested some money into it, that have read about a lot about, and that I'm here to inform my viewers and my brchacherinos around the world about things that they have made some money on. Anyway, let's move on. THETA and TFUEL, what these things are. First of all, let me show you my screen, right? It's enough of my face. Let's go with the screen now. So if you go to THETAtoken.org, you can read all about this. Like, what's the team behind? What's the technology about it? What they are doing? What, like, who their partners are? I mean, you can see here they have some big names, man. They have Google going around with them, Sony, Samsung, Binance, Gummy, blockchain. I don't even know Binance and blockchain and Gummy what these guys are. I mean, Binance, of course I know, but what they do with this, I don't know. Anyway, they have recently obtained as well one of the biggest Japanese messaging app. I think it's called Link or something, and they have like 100 million or something viewers that they're going to use this THETA network for their services, right? And you have also see Samsung VR is also delivering their services through this network. And what is this network, you might be wondering? What is THETA? What is TFUEL? Let's go and talk about it. So first of all, THETA token is the main thing, right? THETA token is the token or the cryptocurrency. It is enabling this network to function, basically. You know, you're doing the trading value between wallets and going and trading and everything with the THETA token. And TFUEL is the price that you pay in transaction fee whenever you transfer some THETA token. Of course, you can buy TFUEL as well directly if you want to, but in order to have like a wallet that will function with THETA tokens, you have to also have on that wallet TFUEL, because if you want to send directly THETA token to another THETA token wallet, you have to pay the price in TFUEL. So I don't know if you know what Ethereum is or how it works, but basically if you trade Ethereum around, you pay gas, right? Well, here TFUEL is basically about the same as gas, right? So the price of TFUEL decides the price of the transaction fees. However, it will never be, I believe, as big transactions fees of Ethereum, because Ethereum technology, in my opinion, from all that I've read, sucks balls. All right, so THETA and TFUEL have made some really big innovations into the technology and the blockchain network and everything and transactions and all. You can read all about that in their website. Let's not go into details. However, let me just talk about prices here, right? So TFUEL price, THETA price. Let's just go over the past month, or let's just go over the past 3 months, right? So first of all, let's just go into THETA, right? So look, it started about 0.7. This is December of 2020. That's like 3 months ago. It started like 0.6 or something. Even further, if we go, you can see it started like 0, you know, like 0.00 or whatever, right? But anyway, let's just go here, and you see it started in like really low price about December 2020, and then it started climbing up and climbing up. It went up to 2, and then it goes up to 3 at February, and then it goes down a little bit. It does a little bit of bounce up here. To 4, and then it goes down to 3 and something, and then it goes up again to like 7 or whatever, and then it will go down a little bit now, I believe like somewhere around here as well, maybe here, and then it will bounce back up. That's my prediction. However, you don't want to listen to it, maybe, I don't know, try it, see, go around, research. That's just my opinion. Why I believe it will skyrocket. Now I have reasons why I believe that, because listen, THETA mainnet 3 is coming in 39 days, and people are buying THETA tokens like crazy. Why they're doing so? Because whenever this mainnet comes up, you're gonna be able to stake all the THETA tokens into the network and create, I believe it's called a guardian node that enables this network to function. And because you're staking your THETA token, of course, you're getting some rewards in return. Instead of mining the TFUEL, you're getting from the network, you're getting a return of TFUEL, right? So you're mining, I mean, not mining, but you're getting rewarded or something. I don't know what's called, right? So you're getting TFUEL in return because you're using, because you're staking the THETA token in order to enable the network to function or whatever. You can, of course, dive into details below here, right? You can see here. You have the white paper if you want documentation here. You can download the white paper, see everything about it. You have the NFTs as well from THETA tokens as well. I don't like the NFTs from THETA network, everything. You have the problem currently, like how the video. So the network here, what's going around with THETA is basically currently how we're getting the content delivered is like we have a big server, right? And everyone is getting from that server. Of course, yeah, like I'm trying to simplify the things here. Of course, you have CDNs, you have like a bunch of servers around, you have Europe West, Europe East, Europe North, Europe South, East, West, North, whatever. You have a bunch of servers around, centralized network currently. For example, if you watch YouTube or whatever, you have a bunch of servers around that are serving you data that are centralized servers, you know, they're controlled by one organization, right? When it comes to THETA technology, what happens is basically every one of us is a node, right? So you can download this software, well, not this, but you can download this software, for example. As you can see right now, currently something is being served from my computer, and because of it, I'm getting some THETA TFUEL as a reward. So that's one way on how we can earn TFUEL, right? And then also you have a bunch of other ways I can, if you want, discuss about it as well in some other video, like in details, like how we can earn all of the ways you can earn TFUEL. But what is going around here is I'm having this stuff here, and if someone from around my region wants to watch a video on THETA or want to watch a stream or something on the THETA network, I am being a node that is relaying that content to them because I'm close to them, and they can. I mean, I have so much bandwidth in an unallocated. Man, I cannot spell. I have so much bandwidth that I don't use of my own personal network that I can actually share with the THETA network, and I can relay all that content around, so people are getting like the biggest quality they are asking for and into some really high speeds, you know. And the more people have these nodes installed on their PCs, the better the network will run. Everyone will get some TFUEL in return, the prices will go up, we're gonna watch some cool videos on high quality, and everything will be working great. So that's the idea behind it, right? So instead of having like centralized network that is controlled by like one company or whatever, instead we're all creating a network with nodes and everything, and that is all based on a blockchain technology that is created by THETA, and currently they're releasing the THETA mainnet. And whenever this stuff releases, what will happen is a lot of people will stake these tokens. So like a bunch of people are holding these tokens right now. Like I think 30% or something, or 40% of these total THETA tokens are held by personal wallets, right? People that have bought that. And then you have like 20-30% to the THETA network that they're holding that for maintaining the network and for all that stuff. And then you have a lot of these THETA tokens already staked or something, I believe. Or I don't know if staking is still, I mean, you can stake, of course, if you want to. I think there is something, if you go here, about staking, but I think this is virtual stake. Oh, this is TFUEL stake. Okay, so never mind. I think whenever mainnet comes up, people will be able to stake. So whenever people stake, this constant, you know, 1 billion THETA, this is a constant, it will never increase. So we have 1 billion pre-mined, predefined THETA tokens, and they will never go up, right? So that's what I've heard, that's what I've read, that's what I know. Okay, so this 1 billion THETA will never go up. So what will happen? Whenever people stake THETA, they earn TFUEL in return. With that, the THETA supply is getting limited because, you know, you have like 1 billion THETA, and when people want to buy THETA, they cannot because it's limited. And whenever you're limiting the supply and the demand is getting higher, the price goes up in order to compensate for the limited supply, right? So that's how economics work. And that is what will happen. That's why I think the prices will go up, because as soon as the mainnet comes up, currently people are buying this like crazy so they can stake whenever the mainnet comes up. And whenever the mainnet comes up, the prices will go even further up, because the THETA tokens will become limited supply, you know, and then the demand will be either stay the same or it will go higher because people want to invest in it because they know that the prices will go up and they want to make a bunch of money and they're gonna become millionaires, billionaires, whatever, and people will buy this stuff, right? And the demand will increase and the supply will get limited, and prices go up. Pretty logical, right? So now, whether you wanna invest in it or not, I cannot really say. I invested into it, why not, right? I've mined some Ethereum back in days. I had a bunch of Ethereum. I've transformed that into TFUEL and some THETA and stuff. I don't really have much money. I think I have like 600-700 euros into it. Not really big money, I'm not really like a rich person or whatever. I mean, if I had more Patreons, I might have been rich, but now I am not. So I don't have much. Anyway, guys, no, if you want to support me on Patreon, that would be great, great thing to do. But anyway, I'm not really a rich person, so I haven't really invested much. This is just coming from my own personal information. What are my opinions on it? I mean, I know a lot about economics, not just by reading of real life economics, but by maintaining good economics into a game that I've played, World of Warcraft. You all know what the game is. So I've trained myself into economics, trading, and supply and demand, and creating supply, limiting supply, creating demand, limiting demand. All this stuff I'm pretty familiar with from actually playing a game, but also from real life examples and investments that I've done in my life that they have paid off quite nice in future. Now another thing I want to say real quick. Is that you can go into THETA. I'm currently watching NASA on THETA. NASA is basically partnered with THETA. As you can see, you can see that they're partners here. That's what the yellow check mark stands for. And when you watch a stream, you see, when you watch a stream, you're also sharing your bandwidth with other viewers basically on their stream, and that also can earn you some TFUEL. So if you have this running, and if you have the like streams running as well, you can earn a bunch of TFUEL eventually. Another way to earn TFUEL, of course, if you link my referral link down in the description as well. I'm not making this video to create referrals, guys. I'm just mentioning that I have referral link that will allow you to allow you to get yourself a crate, and it rewards me a crate. If you click on the link below and you register to theta.tv, you are going to get a crate. In that crate, you might get TFUEL. Or maybe not, I have created a bunch of TFUEL back in days when I was actually streaming for Sliver.tv, which was the previous name of THETA TV. I was streaming back in days. I couldn't stream directly to them because I'm partnered with Twitch, but I was streaming to them because back in days you could embed yourself to THETA TV, to Sliver TV. You didn't have to actually use their servers or something to stream to them. Currently, you can do that. I am affiliate, I can do that, but currently I'm limited because I cannot do that because of my partnership agreement with Twitch. However, I might try it for the sake of the lols eventually in my future life maybe, but we will see. That is something that I'm currently just speculating on. Anyway, those are a couple ways that I've mentioned so far to earn TFUEL if you want to, by just doing nothing, just having some stream open in the background, maybe this stuff open as well in the background. It earns you some cash. And also if you click on the link below, you can also earn yourself a crate. You can earn me a crate. I might get some TFUEL, you might get some TFUEL. It's a win-win, man. Why not, right? We're getting the same exact reward. You're not getting anything less than I do. So you benefit from clicking the link below. Anyway, that's all that I wanted to talk about in this video, I think, right? I mean, I don't really have a script or anything. I just wanted to come here and speculate on a lot of things and hopefully enlighten you with some things and maybe make you invest into things that I believe that will be the future of the mankind when it comes to streaming, video delivering, and all that stuff. As many people have said, I think Steve Chen also said that. I think I've mentioned it. Have I mentioned it? I don't know. Steve Chen also said that, the co-founder of YouTube. He said THETA innovation is set to disrupt today's online video industry much in the same way that YouTube platform did in traditional video back in 2005. One of our biggest challenges has been the high cost of delivering video. Alright, you can read that stuff on the website. Anyway, you might even read faster than me, so let's just not confuse you. That's all. You see, a bunch of people are actually sharing their network already. Anyway, that's all I wanted to talk with you on this video, guys. I'm pretty sure that the prices will go out today and the past actually couple of days. We've seen some really high spike in price in THETA and in TFUEL, and today we see some drop down, but I'm pretty sure that somewhere about now will bounce off. not sure. I don't know about this. I'm just a dumbo that doesn't know what he's talking about, probably. But I'm pretty sure that there will be a bounce now, and if I'm right, you might benefit from it. If I'm not, you might lose from it. I mean, it's up to you, man. I'm not forcing you to do anything. But if you're trusting me, if you trust the technology, if you trust, you know, what other people are saying and what other companies are doing, like Google, Sony, Samsung, Binance, Blockchain, Gummy, News, Altcoin, Today, Bitcoin, Midcoin, CoinJournal, Finextra, Flix, Mix, THETA, Meta, all of these guys here talking stuff about this technology, you might actually benefit yourself something if you decide to invest into it. That's all the bullshit I wanted to talk in this video today, guys. If you want me to talk about certain other bullshit in my life, let me know. If you want me to show you some kung fu, you see I've delivered my kung fu dummy here instead of in my office. Currently it's in my home, so I might do some kung fu lessons for you as well in some future. Maybe some fitness, maybe some YouTube, maybe some World of Warcraft, some gaming, some whatever. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see more. Support me on Patreon if you want to. Of course, like the video, subscribe to the channel, because why not, man? It's free, come on. Anyway, see you in the next one. Thank you all for watching. Battle Fist, and until the next time, much love, no homo, and see you all. Umrenov.